So we're just sitting here at Dale and Annabelle's school. The kids are being cute. What-y?
Mommy.
What?
Apple? Apple?
Would you like some applesauce?
Yes.
Yes. I came prepared, you guys. Okay, let me set you down for just a second. You stay right there. Cool, you just stay right there. So we're just sitting outside of Annabelle and Dale's school. Dale gets out an hour and 15 minutes earlier than, whoa.
Apple juice.
Applesauce, not apple juice. It's applesauce. Can you say, there you go, applesauce.
Juice. That's a car.
Oh yeah. And then there's this little guy.
A car. It's a car.
We are in the car. So, I don't think we're gonna do this every time, but I didn't feel like going home, dropping the kids off, and then loading them back up because I've done it like a bunch today. So we just got stuff to do with the kids, got some snacks and some toys for them to play with, and they've been so cute and so good. Have you been good boys? Yeah, I think so. Oh really? You cute little guy. So yeah, we're just hanging out. I figured I'd use this time to get my Bible study on. So I always run out of time in the middle of the at nighttime because I want to hang out with Tyler and help him edit the vlog. Which by helping him edit, I just help by being there with him and supporting him. Because I don't have that talent that he does. He is the true magic worker, you guys. But yeah, so we got about 25 more minutes before she comes. The kids are just starting to lose it a little bit. They've been doing so good so far, but I'll try to see what other tricks I have up my sleeve. Mama! I see you. Yeah, I see you, cutie bug. Can I not zoom in on this? I guess I can't. I thought that I could zoom in. We need to do something fun tonight, you guys. We've been cooped up in the house. We woke up to snow this morning, which was awesome and super fun, but it makes it for like a cold, wet day. So we need to do something. I'm thinking like, thank you. I am thinking like,
Apple juice.
you mean applesauce? You ate it all, silly. Would you like to have more veggie straws? Hey, we don't need to whine. You are just waiting for me to tickle you. Crazy kid. Yeah. I... You kids are being so cute. What? Oh, you already ate your banana.
It's done.
It's done.
It's one of apple.
We ate all of them. I don't have any more apples. Yeah. What else could we do? What else could we do? I don't even know. I'm going to put you down so I can give them more attention. Okay. Bye. How I wonder. Up above the like a in
the it's just that our
Yay! Good job! I have to clap so you guys are gonna shaking. Good job, Dale. Forrest, you can see. Yeah. Dreams, sweet dreams. Close your settle and drift off.
To sleep.
Yay! Good job! Any more songs?
He does. The person did. Mom and Dad. And Dad. Equals amen.
Amen. Is that our nightly routine, Dale? That is so adorable. Oh.
So sleep.
Now it's time to go to sleep.
It's a bed.
Oh, it's time to go to bed?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where are you?
Where is the bed?
This way.
This way?
The stairs.
Is it at home? What's that?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, you guys. We've got about 15 more minutes till Annabelle gets done with school. Huh. I'm gonna clean out the car while I wait. That was super cute though. Good moment to save.
How's it going, everybody? So, we are out and about because I needed to get out and about. It's cause for celebration. I'm out of my jammies. And woohoo!
And I said that we wanted to go out, so.
Yes. Yes.
It's not Chick-fil-A, but something else.
Yes, I needed to get out because it's not that I stay in my jammies because I'm lazy. It's quite the opposite. I stay in my jammies because I'm too busy to get dressed. Yeah, so I have just been absolutely plugged into my laptop for about 2 weeks straight now, and I need a break. And I have not been able to get horchata ice cream out of my mind for like a week now. It's amazing. So, we decided to take a little trip out to Leatherby's in Utah because we have found out that that is some pretty amazing ice cream. So, that's what we're up to.
Dad,
Yum. Yum and yum.
Dad, can I observe my ice cream back? Because I wasn't saying anything.
Yes. We've had negative Nancy, so I had to threaten not getting ice cream. She said one more negative thing. So far so good. You got about 5 more minutes of waiting in line to get ice cream, so don't blow it now. And we'll be good. All right, see you inside. Ooh, nothing quite says let's go get some ice cream like snow.
Dad, are those things?
Are you asleep? Hey, wake up.
Dad, you woke up.
I'm awake.
Oh, big yawn. Let's get some ice cream.
Snowflakes land on my eye. Come here, snowflake. They're beautiful snow.
So Dale is infatuated with the ice cream cone man. He keeps popping up on the screen and keeps screaming ice cream in the whole store. That's funny.
It's amazing.
You do.
You feed mommy French fries?
My favorite part. My favorite part of Daddy is he hugs me. Now your turn.
Okay. My favorite thing about Annabelle is she's so funny and sweet.
Now my turn.
Okay.
My favorite part of Mama is she's so beautiful.
That's so sweet. My favorite thing about Daddy is he has the cutest little voice.
Even when he screams ice cream across the entire restaurant.
Everybody
You ready, baby? Well, I am full and tired. So we're gonna put the kids down and yeah, get started on the vlog. I have no idea if we have enough footage for a full vlog, but
I was going
you know, today is one of those days. So we will catch you guys later and see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't fall in.
don't fall in water.
We both ate the whole thing.
Oh, nom, 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 nom.
Now I see this.
You're funny.